Greetings and welcome to this brand new weekly jailbreak and downgrading updates video. We have some updates which I wanted to highlight. So first of all, we have the new version for the Palera1n jailbreak. Version 2.2 is now out and it now supports iPad OS or iOS 18.4 and later. Yes, on your iPad 7th generation, and we have the support for tvOS 18.4 and later. And here is the official announcement from the Palera1n team. Now if you check out the latest release, we have some changes. So the loader, the Palera1n loader has been rewritten with improvements, and here you can have the files for macOS and Linux. I already made full guides on how to use the Palera1n jailbreak on macOS and Linux. And if you are using a Windows PC, you can have the Palnix. It also has been updated to support the latest Palera1n 2.2. You can simply have the ISO file from here. This is for the 64-bit computers and this is for the 32-bit computers. And then you can use Rufus, which is completely free, to flash the ISO file and then jailbreak using that USB flash drive, be it rootless or rootful. You will also find an existing guide on how you can use the Palnix ISO file, flash it and jailbreak your device right from the description. Next, the wait is over. The Turdus Merula downgrade tool is now updated to officially support Linux, and it also have the ability to use checkra1n or Palera1n depending on the iOS version you downgraded on your tethered devices to easily jailbreak them. I already made a guide on how you can use Turdus Merula to downgrade your device both tethered and untethered. You will also find those guides in the description. Now if you check out the official website, you can have the Turdus Merula official builds for macOS and Linux. You can also check out the written guides for the untethered downgrade method and the tethered downgrade method from this website. You can simply select your OS, Linux or Mac OS, and then simply continue. Next, we have an update for users on iOS 18.0 through 18.3.2. First of all, please don't update, please stay put. If you want a jailbreak in the future or you want to customize your device, we have this panic log from 18.2.1, which means that a kernel bug exists, but it is far from an actual jailbreak and it is in a very incomplete and in a very early stage. As you can check it out right here, we have this CVE. Yes, both read and write may be possible using this kernel bug. Now as you can see this post here, that this bug alone will never create a jailbreak, troll store or anything similar, but the most you can get from it is KFD2 right now. So once it is complete, it will offer some customizations on your devices ranging from iOS 18.0 through 18.3.2. But for our jailbreak, there are a lot of components that need to be worked on. That's all for this weekly's update. If I have more information to share, I will definitely share it with you. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.